Hi, welcome to automation-testing.in. In this video, we will see how to install Java using Chocolatey. So Chocolatey is a Windows package manager. So by using Chocolatey, you can install any software from the command prompt easily. So if you don't know what is Chocolatey, how to use Chocolatey, I made some videos. So as part of this series, so you can go back and watch those videos before following this video. So I'll provide the link in the description also. So first, if you want to install Java, what is the procedure we'll follow normally? Okay, so the first, we'll download the Java from the website. The second thing what we'll do, we will, after downloading, we will install the Java. So third one is, we'll set the environment variables. Right, this is the normal procedure we'll follow. Okay, so if you follow Chocolatey, so with the single command, it will download the Java, it will install the Java, it will set the environment variables also. Okay, the single shot, it will perform everything, and it is easiest way. Okay, so before installing Java, first we'll check whether Java is installed in my machine or not. Okay, so go to the command prompt. So type Java space hyphen version. You see that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, so if you are getting this one, means Java is not installed in your machine. Okay, so now we will see whether the environment variables are set in the machine or not. Go to this PC, right click, go to the properties, go to advanced system settings, go to environment variables. Here you need to find Java underscore home. So I'm not seeing anything here, user variable, and the same way I'm not seeing anything in the system variables also. If you go to the path of your variables, so if you click edit, you need to find the environment variable set here also. So I'm not seeing anything. Okay, so let's close everything. So the reason why I'm showing you is, so when you use Chocolatey, so I'm already saying that it will set the environment variables also. Okay, so as part of this, I'm installing openjdk. So it's an open source Java. So if you go to Oracle JDK, then it is licensed. So if you install also, you might not get updates. So if you want to know the differences between Oracle JDK, OpenJDK, and you have so many flavors in the JDK, so you can go to the website and you can get the information. But here I'm installing OpenJDK. Okay, it's an open source. So for this, what is the command? So the command is choco install openjdk. That's it. Okay, if you don't know, you can search in the command prompt. Otherwise, you can go to the official website of chocolatey.org. Right, go to chocolatey.org, click on find packages, and here you can search openjdk. You see that openjdk, and this is the command choco install openjdk. Right, so now what you'll do, you'll go to the Windows PowerShell, otherwise command prompt, whatever it is. So I'm using PowerShell, right click, you just open as administrator. So right click, run as administrator. So it will ask you for the prompt. So click yes to open this one. So I opened this one. So now I need to check whether Chocolatey is installed in my machine or not. For that, just simply type choco and hit enter. So you'll get the version of your Chocolatey. You see that Chocolatey. So now we will install the Java, means the JDK. So choco install open JDK. just hit enter. So it will take some time to download. You see that it will run some PowerShell scripts. So it will ask you for the permission. So do you want to run the script? So put yes and hit enter. Just type Y and hit enter. And you can find here that it is 189.55 minutes, almost 190 MB. So first it will download. Okay, first it will download and then it will install. Okay, so it will take a bit time, depends upon your internet speed, everything. So I'll pause for some time this video. Once it is done, I'll come back. Okay. So it completed almost 30%. Now it completed above 70%. So now it is more than 90%. Yeah, so it's done. You see that it completed downloading and it started extracting and it will install. Okay, it will take bit time. So done. You see that Chocolatey installed one of one packages and the install of OpenJDK was successful. You see that the install of OpenJDK is successful in the location C program files OpenJDK. Okay, so now we'll verify the Java is successfully installed or not. So what is the command? So I'll clear everything. So Java space hyphen version. You see that still it is saying the Java is not recognized. Okay, so what you need to do, it's already open session, so that is the reason it is not able to identify. Just close the PowerShell and open the PowerShell or command prompt, whatever it is. Okay, so now we'll use command prompt. I'll open the command prompt, then I'll type the same thing, Java space hyphen version. Now it is, you see that OpenJDK 14.0.2, the latest version, it is installed. So now Java is ready in your machine. Okay, so if you want to see where it is installed, so you can go to the C program files. So here you see that OpenJDK. You see that JDK is installed. And the same way, where it is exactly installed in the, like what you say, in the Chocolatey. So go to your C drive, go to program data. So if you're not seeing the program data, go to the view and check this checkbox, hidden items. The reason is program data is a hidden folder. Open this. So go to Chocolatey. Inside that you'll find .chocolatey. Open that. Here you can find, you see that OpenJDK is installed. Okay, all the softwares which I used to install, which I used Chocolatey to install, everything will be listed here. Okay, so now the next thing is we need to, it downloaded and installed, right? So it downloaded, installed. Now what about setting the environment variables, right? So go to your, right click on your this PC, go to the properties, go to advanced system settings and click on environment variables. Now you can find, you see that Java underscore home, and it already set to the location where it is. Okay, and the same way, if you go to the path, right, edit, you can see that it's set to bin folder, program files openjdk jdk/bin. So it set the environment variables automatically. You don't need to do this one externally. That is one of the advantages. Okay, so this is how you can install Java in your machine using Chocolatey. The simplest way. So if you're newly trying, and after some time, if you want to update, there is a command like, so the same thing which I explained in the previous videos, but you can simply say choco update openjdk. That's it. Then it will update to the latest version automatically. Okay. So if you want to check that, we'll go to again the PowerShell, run as administrator. So here you can say choco update openjdk. So you see that already available. Okay, so it just checks, and if the latest version is available, first it checks in your machine. So if it is not there, if it is not the latest version, it will update to the latest version. If already latest version, it will ignore. Okay, that's it. This is how you can update also from the command prompt itself. Okay, this is how you can install Java in your machine using Chocolatey. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for further interesting updates. Okay.